Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a password generator using Python. This video will give you a step-by-step guide to create a strong password generator. So let's start. First we need to import random. It will help us to choose random letters, numbers and symbols. Now create three variables: letters, numbers and symbols. I have already created it. I will give the project file in the description. You can copy and paste it. I want to print out welcome to password generator before anything else print out. Now create four variables: letter, number, symbol and password list. Now how many letter you want, just keep it. I want 8 letter. Same for a number and symbol. I want 4 and 2. And the password list will be empty list. Now I am going to create a for loop. It will help me to choose random letters, numbers and symbol. If I print out password list without dot append, you can say it is a empty list. If I use password dot append, same for number and symbols. If I print out now, you can see I have a password list as list and I want this as a password. I have to use again a for loop. And make sure you have created password variable. If I print out password now, we have a password, but it is quite simple and it is not so much secure, so we are going to mix it. For that, before the for loop, I want to shuffle the list. Now run the code again. Boom. See the magic? Now it is max strong password. That's how you can write a password generator code in Python. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any question or suggestion for future videos, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more program tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.